Hello, in this video I will show you how you can log into your BrainPop ELL account. To log into your BrainPop ELL account, you need to type ell.brainpop.com to your search bar. When you do that, BrainPop ELL homepage will greet you. When you access the homepage, you need to click on Login and type your username and password that are provided by us. BrainPop ELL uses lively and engaging content to teach English to speakers of other languages. Lessons are built around animated movies and supporting features that reinforce vocabulary and grammar. BrainPop ELL is organized in 3 levels and each level consists of 6 units and each unit includes 5 movies with associated features. To begin your lesson, you can write the grammar topic you will teach in the search bar, or you can also use context index to reach the content. The movies feature the characters, Moby and Ben, who model conversational English while seamlessly presenting the target vocabulary, language, and content. By clicking on here, you can start to watch.
Look, Moby! Nicky got a new puppy. He's so cute, isn't he?
All BrainPop ELL movies have a closed caption option. While the movie is playing, click closed caption in the movie player controls to toggle the closed captions on or off. You can also click on the settings icon to change the speed or the quality of the video. Each lesson's main movie has a transcript. You can access them by clicking transcript button below the movie.
I'm looking after the puppy for Nicky. What do you mean? What can he do? No, he can't. He can't feed himself. No, he can't. He can't dress himself.
Short vocabulary and grammar companion movies deeply and explicitly teach the concepts featured in the lessons.
Cute. Cute. Anything. Can. I can play the guitar. Nicky can sing. La la.
BrainPop ELL offers interactive activities to practice the grammar concept and explore the new vocabulary in each movie. Flashboards accompany every BrainPop ELL lesson. These clickable flashcards feature vocabulary from the movie on one side and a visual representation of the vocabulary on the other. Wordplay is an interactive vocabulary activity that invites students to draw, write, and create a skit about vocabulary in the movie. Hear It Say It is a language lab in which students listen to a clip from the movie, then repeat it and record. Students listen back to their own recordings for pronunciation and can repeat recordings to sharpen their pronunciation skills. The quiz is a graded 10-question quiz that assesses students' understanding of the featured vocabulary, language, and content of the associated movie. Every BrainPop ELL topic includes practice, a playful pre-quiz game that challenges students to apply their knowledge of the vocabulary, language, and content from the featured movie. Read It offers short reading passages with follow-up vocabulary and reading comprehension questions. Write It is a guided writing activity. As students progress through the units, the writing activities become more advanced. Make a Map is BrainPop's concept mapping tool, accompanies every BrainPop ELL topic. Make a Map invites students to make meaningful connections between concepts and reinforce knowledge. A grammar summary accompanies every BrainPop ELL topic, providing you with a quick review of the featured grammar skill. Brainpop Educators is a collection of tips, tools, and resources to inspire and support teachers. It helps teachers to stay up to date on the latest BrainPop happenings and expanding resources like lesson plans, video tutorials, graphic organizers, and other ideas for training and professional development. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.